Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your Cash App PIN. So let's get started. Open up a web browser and type in cash.app and press enter on your keyboard to get to the official website for Cash App, or simply open up your Cash App application on your preferred device. Once you get to the home page, click on Login at the top right hand corner and enter your credentials to log into your account. Once logged into the account, click on your account button on the bottom left hand corner. Now click on the security and privacy option, which will then take you to this page where you can see the change cash PIN option. Click on the option and then first enter your current PIN that you've set for your account. If you've forgotten your PIN, you can get help by clicking on the forgot PIN option and following the prompts. If you remember your PIN, you can type it in and it'll then ask you to enter a new PIN. This will be your new PIN on the application and at your ATMs for Cash App. After entering the new PIN, re-enter it one more time to confirm, and you have now successfully changed your cash PIN. Now, your cash PIN will be required every time you try to move money from your account. That is how easily you can change your cash PIN on Cash App. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.